What it do, what it do, what it do, folks? What's good? What's shaking? Glad you guys is joining me in another little journey. Glad you guys is, I guess, staying safe. I hope you're staying safe. But yeah, it's just another little journey through the hood to see what's good real quick. Nice little bike right there. But yeah, you know, I just like to document my journey on and the type of progress I'm making as I try to perfect this art of motorcycle riding, you know. Just trying to get my seat time in, you could say. If this is your first time checking your boy out, I am a beginner rider. Only been doing it for a little over a year now. I'm just trying to get it. I'm trying to master it, y'all. Your boy is trying to master it. But anyways, thanks for tuning in with your boy Ricky Clark. This is your first time checking me. I'm also a music producer. And sometimes what I do during my vlogs is I showcase some of my beats while I be riding, you know. But you know what, today I was just wanted to, you know, had a little topic of discussion was my starter bike, or what's a good starter bike. A lot of people say, you know, 250s, 300s, 400s, 650s are the good starter bikes or whatever, but you know, personally I'd be thinking, you know, it's all about the rider. I really think it's about the rider. I also don't think, you know, a smaller bike is a lot more forgiving, because God knows I done made some mistakes and I still make mistakes, as you guys probably can see that. You know, so you know, in my opinion, you know, a good starter bike, like I'm on a Honda CBR 250R, and the thing is that at the time when I bought this bike, I didn't know too much about motorcycles, but I you know, I was doing my research and stuff like that. So you know, I seen that I didn't want to get a 600, or they say you don't get a 600 or a 1000 or stuff like that. But so you can say, you can guess I was kind of listening to certain people's opinions. So I actually seen this bike right here on might have been OfferUp or Facebook Marketplace or something like that. And I seen it, guy wanted like $2,300. Had like 20,000 miles. But it looked like, and still, it looked like he kept it in pretty decent shape. Got an aftermarket exhaust, Two Brothers aftermarket exhaust, so it sounds pretty decent. And it also has a Juice Box Pro, which I guess is some type of power commander or whatever. And what the guy did was, I seen a few videos on he's showing the power of the bike. He's a smaller guy, a lot smaller than I was, and he shows me videos of him doing wheelies and all of this other stuff. And I'm like, oh, okay, but it really didn't make no difference to me, because I didn't care if it did wheelies or not. I just wanted to get a bike to perfect this art. And that's what I did. Found a decent deal, and that was about 1 year and 4 months ago. But you know, a lot of people would say some bikes is, you know, this bike, smaller bikes is not just starter bikes also. Some people say, hey, they're pretty fun. I don't know if you heard that saying, you can ride it's more fun to ride a small bike fast than a big bike slow. I guess that's true. It's a lot lighter, things like that, but I don't know. Yeah, I gotta watch out, y'all, for these killer ducks down here in South Florida, because they will walk out in the middle of the street and will not and they think they have the right of way. But yeah, you know, so some people would say it's just a motorcycle, just a smaller CC motorcycle. But also, you know, another topic is what is a good second bike? You know, let's say you're someone like me, been riding for a little while, you kind of got the mechanics down, but you know, you want to upgrade a little bit. What might be a good second bike? You know, y'all go ahead and hit me up in the comments and let me know what might be a good second bike for someone who has been riding for as long as I have, which is about a little over a year. And I know that the bike, it also depends on the person, how they ride and things like that, how responsible one might be. But you know, like my opinion personally, I wish I actually started on a bigger bike. I wish I started on like maybe like a 650, something like that. You know, started on a 650, which in my opinion you can kind of grow into it. So I wish I would have started on a 650 or something like that, so then therefore I'm not in the predicament I'm in now. Like, you know, it's a little over a year now, and I'm ready to get a new bike. And me personally, yeah, I ain't rich. I ain't got money to just be buying bikes every year, stuff like that. But I kind of wish I actually went and got a 650 first, though, and then just grew in the bike and, you know, had it for a while. There is this one bike that I must say that I really like, that is a 650, and it's the 2019 Honda CBR 650R. Not the 650F, but the 650R. Oh, it's a looker. It's a looker. But nah, it's pretty dope, y'all. You know, it looks kind of like the I want to say the Fireblades, the Honda, you know, it's the CBR or the Fireblade. In my opinion, got all the bells and whistles. It has all the rider's aids that the super sports have, or the thousands have. You know, you got traction control on a 650. You got this traction control. Of course, the bikes now come with ABS, but traction control, ABS. You got you even got the steering damper on a 650, to where you definitely wasn't, you know, until 2019, you didn't have no unless I'm wrong, you didn't have no, let's say, beginner bike with a steering damper and all this other crazy stuff on it. You didn't have that. But it's basically, you know, this bike has all the gadgets and the bells and whistles that you have on these on the 1000cc bikes, or the newer thousands. But yeah, it's the Honda CBR, just the 2019 though, because the 2018 and, you know, older models, they don't have the that's the 650F, Honda CBR 650F, and that don't have all the bells and whistles that, you know, that they have, that the 2019 have. But yeah, it's pretty dope. It's definitely pretty dope. You know, it looks nice. It got the, you can, it's I think they even made the adjustments of the triple tree, or the, you know, the, is a little bit lower, so you're riding in an aggressive position, but not too aggressive. It's not like that R6 aggressive, you know. You ain't riding too aggressive, but it's comfortable. A few weeks ago, I actually went and sat on it, and it's not bad. The only issue I got with it, though, the one issue I do have with it, is that it's like 9 racks. Once you do all the taxes and the charges and all that, you probably over 10 racks. And I'm just like, yo, hold up. That's you can go buy you a 1000cc for these prices. One place I went to, even though it was one of those, I think it was a Honda dealership, of course they're gonna overcharge you. What the hell's going on here? What is going on here? Some little puppy in the street? Just whatever, huh? Somebody lost their dog. But anyways, yeah, you know, it's like they want $9,500. So you do the tax and tags and the financing charge, if you're getting it financed and stuff like that, you're looking at probably 11 racks or more. So you do the math, yo. I mean, you can go get you maybe a slightly older but brand new 1000cc Super Sport or something with the bells and whistles and all of that for around $11,000-12,000. So shoot, or close to it, you know. So me, you know, I was just like, I might have to wait. I'm not about to spend 10 racks for a 650cc, but it does have all the bells and whistles and all of that good stuff. Yeah, if I'm not mistaken, it even have power modes. I could be wrong on that, but I do know it had traction control and the Honda steering damper and slipper clutches and all of that good stuff, you know. It was a 20, but yeah, they didn't make it till the 2019. So once 2019 came out, Honda changed it. Let's see past that. Yeah, once 2019 came, Honda started making the 650R instead of the 650F. Now I don't know if they still make the 650F, but the 650F, it's okay. It's not a looker though. It ain't like, to me, it's not as good as the 650R. The 650R is up there. It's nice. The way they made all the angles, it looks mean. You know, it's like a Super Sport without, well, it's the comfort of a Super Sport without all the whistle names. So, you know, that's a nice R6. Like the comfort of a Super Sport. No, I'm sorry. The comfort of, you know, maybe almost a naked. But you're kind of aggressive also. I don't know. You guys gonna have to sit on it for yourself and take a look at it. But yeah, you know, that's one bike that I would like to say would be a good second bike for myself. Would be that 650. I think personally a 650, you have enough power to have that freeway power. You're gonna have some good passing power, maybe some power to get you out of trouble, and I don't think you're gonna get bored too quickly unless you just basically an adrenaline junkie. You got to stay in triple digits all the time. I even heard that they got some good low-end grunt, some good low-end power. That's what I like the most. I mean, I can't tell you that because, like I said, I ain't no experienced rider to a point where I'm busting out triple digits on a regular or whatever. This bike, I don't even think can get in the triple digits, especially now with my big ass on this damn bike. I mean, I ain't that big, but I'm just saying, I don't see it. Maybe up to 80 miles an hour, maybe. This bike might get to 80 miles an hour, maybe. And down here, shoot, like I say, man, down here they got, in South Florida, they running 80 miles an hour on a regular, just regular. You got the slowest drivers busting out 80 miles an hour. So I damn sure don't want to be in my top speed, and that's my max. I mean, my top speed being 80 miles an hour, to where that's what the speed limit is people doing. And that's as fast as I can go. So that's why I say, you know, you have a little bit of extra power, got enough power. But yeah, that's what I like, man. I really do like that 650R, the Honda CBR 650R. 2019 though, because if you get 2018, then it's not the same. It ain't the same. But anyways, like I said before, you know, if y'all are first time checking me out, and you know, I usually, what I do sometimes is I be showcasing my tracks, my instrumentals, beats, songs, stuff like that. In case you are a singer, songwriter, maybe a rapper, maybe a producer who might even want to collab, I usually showcase my tracks there. Me up on here, but I'm messing up. My foot's damn shoestring getting tangled up. It's all good. But yeah, what up? You know, like I was saying though, you know, singers, songwriters, rappers, producers might want to collab or whatever. I usually showcase them during my videos. But you know, today is one where I just actually had something to say. I had a couple topics I wanted to discuss. But yeah, y'all, you know, hit me up in the comments. Let me know what might be a good second bike. You know, still a beginner rider, but a good second bike to get. And then also, you know, let me know what's a good starter bike. Let's say, you know, you got some of these young boys out here that's wanting to get a 600 and want to be speed demons and stuff like that. You think that might be a good idea? Y'all think it's a good idea for these, you know, these young boys to be actually starting on these thousands because they mama or they daddy done spoiled them to death and just want to get them whatever they want? Y'all let me know. Hit me up in the comments. And I appreciate y'all, you know, for taking this journey with me. Hopefully the journey continues, God willing. But y'all definitely hit me up, y'all, and let's chop it up. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Also, y'all see me busting out some mistakes and everything like that. To the experienced riders that might be checking this on out, hit me up, man. Let me know what I could be doing better. I do know what I need to be practicing on. We'll talk about that in another vid or something. So, till next time, y'all. I holler. Peace.